Hello, I am Dr. Rita Bhandari, Professor Zoology, Specialization in Entomology, Government OFK College, RDVV, Jabalpur. I have attended the 1 week workshop on apiculture, which was organized by Balwant College Vita. The information shared by all the learned speakers was very useful and fruitful for everyone, including teachers, students, beekeepers, and other lecture attendees. With each lecture, we were able to gain more and more practical knowledge about bee culture. The lecture also paid attention to the problems associated with beekeeping and provided effective and efficient solution to those issues. This will help students to undertake bee culture as a part-time activity or do full-time self-employment business. It fully aligned with the government concept of being Atmanirbhar. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the speakers for covering all the steps related to apiculture and giving detailed information about each step. I congratulate Dr. C.J. Khilare, Principal Balwant College Vita, extend my greetings to all the speakers and the entire organization committee. All your efforts have truly been appreciated and will continue to help all. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Dr. A.U. Sutar, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SGM College, Karad. First of all, I am very thankful to Principal C.J. Khilare, Balwant College Vita, Mr. Rahul Patil, Head, Department of Zoology, Balwant College Vita, and Dr. Pritesh Gugule, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Balwant College Vita, for organizing online interdisciplinary 1 week certificate course on apiculture. In this course, all the information related to apiculture was given by the experts. The resource persons were very knowledgeable and they provide all necessary information related to apiculture. There was also hands-on training by the experts. This course will be fruitful to the students, to the faculties, and also to the farmers. So once again I appreciate the team of the Balwant College Vita for such a wonderful organization. Thank you.
I am Dr. P.J. Joslin, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, St. Mary's College, Puducherry. First of all, I thank the organizers for conducting such a wonderful FDP program on apiculture. I found it really insightful, interesting and wonderful program. The presentations are impressive and explanatory. Thanks so much for your valuable hands-on training session also. I wish the organizers to conduct many more FDP programs. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dhanasri Daulat Bhosle, UG student from Department of Zoology, Radhabai Kai Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Ahmednagar. To be honest, this is my first online 1 week course and really this is very helpful and informative course, especially for the students and the persons who are interested to learn about the apiculture. All the course content is also precise and all the modules are best. The resource persons are also very knowledgeable. Really, I enjoy this course and the hands-on training session is a very effective session in this course and I really like this session. Overall course is well planned and I am very thankful to the Principal and Department of Zoology, Balwant College Vita for organizing such an excellent course on apiculture and hoping the same word from you in the future. Thank you so much.
नमस्कार, मैं उदय कुमार सिन्हा एंटरप्रेन्योर और एग्री ट्रेनर जन पवन फाउंडेशन भागलपुर से मैं बलवंत कॉलेज ऑफ बीटा और डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जूलॉजी के द्वारा चलाए गए 1 वीक ऑनलाइन इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी कोर्स ऑन एपीकल्चर को पूरा किया। मैं इस लॉकडाउन की अवधि में बलवंत कॉलेज बीटा के द्वारा चलाए गए इस प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम को पूरे समय में उपयोग किया और अपने ज्ञान को वृद्धि करने का काम किया है। कॉलेज और डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जूलॉजी के द्वारा चलाए गए इस कार्यक्रम को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। आज के इस महामारी में जब हम लोग एक साथ बैठ नहीं सकते, एक जगह पर दूरी बनाना जरूरी हो जाता है। ऐसे में इस ऑनलाइन प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम का महत्व बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है। और इस ऑनलाइन कार्यक्रम का एक और फ़ायदा होता है, जैसे जो कॉलेज के आसपास के हैं वो तो कॉलेज में भी जाकर के अटेंड कर लेते हैं कोर्स को, लेकिन अब मैं बिहार से हूँ, अब मैं कैसे बलवंत कॉलेज बीटा दूर जा सकता हूँ स्टडी के लिए। लेकिन इस ऑनलाइन का एक बहुत बड़ा फ़ायदा हुआ कि भारत के कोने कोने से लोगों ने इस प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम में भाग लिया होगा, उसमें मैं एक भी भागीदार रहा। कार्यक्रम का जो सिस्टम बनाया गया है ये भी मुझे बहुत यूनिक लगा और ये बिल्कुल सही और इफ़ेक्टिव रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड नॉलेज ग्रोथ के रूप में कार्यक्रम है। इसके लिए मैं ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, dear friends, respected teachers and the resource persons. I am Bhosle Ashwini Bhuvan, the student of Radhabai Kare Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. First of all, I am thankful to the organizing committee of Balwant College Beta. They have organized such a wonderful 1 week certificate course on apiculture. All the module videos in this 1 week certificate course are very much informative and provide a guideline to all of us. The quiz on these videos are also very much interesting. In this certificate course, we learned about the following things like honeybee species, their identification, colony organization, division of labor, social activities performed by honeybees, bee flora, approach to the conservation of honeybees, products of the honeybees, honey and its properties and the application of the honey. We also got an idea about the beekeeping equipments and how to handle these equipments. I request to the organizing committee to start some other online courses if they have possible. Thank you very much.
Friends and respected teachers, my name is Inamdar Nagma Shahid, the student of Radhabai Kare Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I would like to thank all the staff of Balwant College Vita for organizing such amazing 1 week certificate course on apiculture. The lectures on apiculture are very informative and I have learned so much from it. I have learned so many important topics from it. The quizzes which are taken in this course is very interesting. I request to organizer to organize such type of courses if possible. Thanks a lot to all teachers for organizing this amazing course.